Hey guys, this is Ben with Exceptional Glass, 888-83 Glass. Today we're in Linden, New Jersey, and we're going to do a really cool French door application on a curbless shower enclosure. Now, curbless shower enclosures as of today's date, 4/13/2021, happens to be the big rave now. Everyone's getting curbless, and I personally I give a shout out to all the designers on house.com and Pinterest for making viral videos showing these guys off, and then everybody just kind of picking up on the trend. I personally really like these curbless. They have a new, more modern look to them, and anyway, they look pretty damn cool, and one less thing to trip over when you're stepping into the shower. So everything here is going to be in matte black finish, and it's going to be exceptional. Let's see how it turns out. Alright guys, so we're all set. This was a long project, a lot of fine tuning, a lot of adjustments, only because, you know, center mounted French doors with two side panels. Everything has to be 100%. If not, you got the door one way, the other door another. It's a real pain in the butt, but the final result is really what it's all about. So as you see, it is complete. So we have panel, door, door, panel with the seat cutout. Everything's a matte black finish, including the matte black ladder style pull. These pulls are from C.R. Lawrence. They match those fixtures inside perfectly. And instead of using bottom sweeps, those things that make that swooshy sound under the door, instead what we've used is our half moon dam. We've been implementing this for the past year or so, and it's been working out with Rave reviews. Keeps that water from bouncing from underneath the door out, and it's clear. And that's pretty much all I have to say about that. It is available on our store. If you guys have a shower situation where you replace the sweeps, you get sick and tired of the sweeps, maybe try one of our dams. All right. So if you guys need one of these, please feel free to give us a call, 888-83-GLASS, or visit our website, njglassdoors.com.